Hello everyone. Today's video is a simple yellow lentil dal recipe. This was my dad's absolute favorite. I lost him a few months ago, and today being his birthday, I thought why not share one of his favorite recipes. So here we go. The ingredients you will need are tomato, garlic, green chili and turmeric. You can increase or decrease the amount of green chilies based on your spice preference. We like it a bit on the spicier side. For the tadka, you will need ghee and mustard, jeera, methi seeds. Toor dal. Pressure cook the lentils along with tomato, garlic, green chili and turmeric. Add in water. Just give it a stir and let this pressure cook up to 3 to 4 whistles. You can see that the dal is completely cooked. Now for the tadka. Take a pan, add in ghee and the mustard, jeera and methi seeds. Once the seed starts to splutter, add in the cooked dal. Give it a stir and add in water to adjust the consistency of the dal as per your liking. My dad liked a very thin lentil dal and that's how I'm going to prepare today. Add in some salt to taste and let this come to a boil. And here you go, the dal is ready. Enjoy it with some hot rice and don't forget to add in a teaspoon of ghee. This brings back such good memories. I'm so happy that Ahan was lucky enough to play with his Ajja. I know you're blessing us from wherever you are, Daddy. Happy birthday. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Do follow me on Instagram for all the new updates. See you in my next. Bye bye.